To blow up on TikTok, the first step is to understand the platform's unique culture and trends. TikTok thrives on creativity, authenticity, and relatability. Begin by immersing yourself in the app, exploring various niches, and identifying what resonates with you. Find your passion, whether it's comedy, dance, cooking, or DIY projects, and let that passion shine through in your content. Next, leverage trending sounds and hashtags. TikTok's algorithm favors content that aligns with current trends, so stay updated on what's popular. Use trending songs and challenges as a foundation for your videos, but don't shy away from adding your unique twist. This originality can set you apart from the crowd and catch the attention of viewers. Engagement is crucial. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, participating in duets, and collaborating with other creators. Building a community not only increases your visibility, but also fosters loyalty among your followers. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and eager for more. Experiment with different formats and styles to find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to take risks. Additionally, consider the visual appeal of your videos. Good lighting, clear audio, and eye-catching edits can make a significant difference. Invest time in learning basic editing skills to enhance your content's quality. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Viral success often takes time, and not every video will perform well. Learn from your analytics, adapt your strategy, and keep creating. Authenticity, combined with a willingness to evolve, can lead to that breakthrough moment on TikTok, propelling you into the spotlight. Embrace the journey and enjoy the creative process along the way.